By the 1970s, Saab had established itself as a pioneer in automotive safety, but their engineers, still thinking like aircraft designers, weren't satisfied. While the world faced its worst oil crisis, Saab saw an opportunity that would revolutionize the automotive industry. In 1977, they did something nobody thought possible. They took turbocharger technology from their fighter jets and put it in a family car, the Saab 99. Until then, turbochargers were only used in high-performance sports cars. They were considered too complex, too unreliable for everyday use. But Saab's aircraft engineers knew better.